Hi friends, Xiaomi has recently launched a new feature phone. It's called Qin AI in China. The world is calling it a future phone, but in reality, it has a lot more than just a future phone. In this phone, we can make calls, supports LTE and Vivo LTE. Especially, it runs on Android platform, has two variants and can do real-time translations up to 17 languages. The phone has been launched in China. There is no word on the India launched yet. If the Qin AI launched in India, it may hit JioPhone hardly. Both Jio and Xiaomi enjoy a good fan following in India. Let's take a quick look at what these two phones bring to the table and how different they are based on their specifications. Let us take display. The Qin AI features a 2.8-inch display, where JioPhone features a 2.4-inch. Both the phones have a QVGA display which has TFT display. Let's take a camera. There is no comparison here. JioPhone comes with a 2MP camera on the back and a VGA sensor on the front, but the Qin AI has no camera inserted. It comes with IR blaster, using which you can control your home gadgets like AC and television. Let's come to battery. The Qin AI is backed by a 1480 mAh battery, whereas JioPhone comes with a bigger battery size of 2000 mAh. Let's take RAM and storage. While JioPhone features a 512 MB RAM along with 4 GB internal storage, while Qin AI comes with 256 MB RAM and 512 MB storage in one variant and 8 MB RAM and 16 MB internal storage in the other. Let's compare with software. While JioPhone runs on KaiOS, which is forked version of a Mozilla, whereas Qin AI is powered by forked Android OS called Mocore 5. Let's discuss about SIMs. While JioPhone supports one SIM and JioPhone 2 comes with dual SIM support, and Xiaomi Qin AI comes with a dual SIM support. Let's talk about connectivity. JioPhone support 4G LTE, Bluetooth, NFC and Wi-Fi. In the comparison, Qin AI supports LTE, Vivo LTE and Wi-Fi. There are two models of Qin AI, Qin 1 and Qin 1S. The Qin 1 is a 2G only phone, whereas Qin 1S is a 4G phone. Let's finally discuss about price. While JioPhone is effectively free, buyer has to pay a sum of 1500 at the time of purchase, which is refundable after 3 years. We do not know how much the Qin AI cost in India, but it has been launched at yuan at 999 in China, which is comparing in Indian currency as rupees 1999 in India. So friends, hope you like this video. So don't forget to share and subscribe. We'll meet you in next update. Until bye bye. Thank you.